Once a lama was working in a faraway valley, wrote a letter to the chief of the monastery. In the letter, he said, "Send one more lama, we need him here." Chief called all his disciples and read that letter in front of them. Then he said, "I would like to send 5 of you." One lama asked, "But why 5? When he asked only for 1? Chief replied, "You will know later. I'll send 5 and then too it's not certain that 1 will reach because the way is long and distraction are 1001. Disciple laughed as they thought it was stupid to send 5 when asked for 1. But the chief was insistent and select 5 and then send them. The next morning their journey started. When they were passing by a village, a messenger came running to them and said, "Our priest has died and we need a priest. Salary is good." The village looked rich and prosperous. So one of them said, "I would like to stay here because there is 2 Buddhas were. I am going to stay here. You 4 will be enough as only 1 is needed." 1 drop. The next day, as they were passing by the outskirts of the kingdom, king was passing by them on the horse, looked at them and stopped. One young monk looked healthy and radiant. He said to him, "Wait, I am looking for a young man for my daughter to get married. I have been looking for a groom and you seem to be exactly right. Are you ready? I have only 1 daughter and after marriage, my whole kingdom will be yours." Young monk found his opportunity as good to settle and agreed to king's request and said goodbye to his friends and left. Now, 3 monks who left became aware that the chief was right. The way is long and there is 1001 distraction. She decided that they will be careful and not be distracted by any such distraction. Deep down, they were jealous. The 3rd night, they lost their way. At night, they could see only 1 light lamp. They went in that direction and somehow reached there. When they knocked on the door, a young woman came out. She greeted and welcomed them and said, "You are God sent, because I was alone and waiting for my mother's fathers to return, but they are not back. I was afraid to be alone. Please stay with me until my parents return." The next morning, they had to leave, but one of them had fallen in love with that young woman and said, "Her parents haven't returned yet. I can't go until her parents are back." The other 2 tried to talk him out of it, but he refused to listen. 2 monks who were left carried on with their journey. The next morning, when they were passing by the village, they got surrounded by a crowd because the village was aesthetics and didn't believe in Buddha. They challenged him to prove what Buddha says is true. One of the great scholars from the village arrived and challenged them with his knowledge. One of them accepted the challenge. The other one asked, "What are you doing? Who knows how long it will take? We have to reach a valley." Monk replied, "Even if my whole life is wasted, I will stay here and take the challenge. I am devoted to Buddha and this man has challenged his philosophies. I will convert this village, you can go. In fact, only 1 is needed." It was not just a challenge to Buddha, but it was a challenge to monk's ego. So he stayed there. That's how at last only 1 monk was able to reach its destination valley. Thanks for watching these Palta motivation stories and stay blessed.